Hey there, fellow travelers. If you're a Chase Sapphire cardholder, you're in for a treat with that sweet $300 annual travel credit. Today, I'm going to break it down step by step so you can start using it like a pro. This credit can save you a bundle on your next adventure, whether it's a flight, hotel, or rental car. Let's dive right in. First off, what exactly is this $300 travel credit? It's a perk that comes with cards like the Chase Sapphire Preferred or Reserve, giving you up to $300 back on your statement for eligible travel purchases each year. The best part? It's basically free money if you play your cards right, pun intended. To get started, make sure you're logged into your Chase account. Once you're in, any qualifying travel expenses you charge to your card will automatically be considered for the credit. But here's the key: not everything counts. Eligible purchases include things like airline tickets, hotel stays, car rentals, and even some travel agencies. However, everyday stuff like groceries or gas won't qualify, so keep that in mind. Now, let's talk steps. Step 1. Plan your travel and use your Chase Sapphire card for bookings. For example, if you're booking a flight on Expedia or directly through an airline, slap that card down. Step 2. Wait for the magic to happen. Chase will review your purchases and apply the credit to your statement within a few billing cycles, usually pretty quickly. Step 3. Track your credits in your account dashboard so you don't miss out. Oh, and remember, the credit resets every year, so use it before it expires. One common pitfall to avoid: make sure the purchase is coded as travel by the merchant. Sometimes, third-party sites might not qualify, so double-check. Also, if you're new to this, start small. Maybe offset a hotel stay first. Wrapping this up, using your Chase Sapphire $300 travel credit is a straightforward way to enhance your travels without breaking the bank. It adds up fast and makes every trip feel a little more luxurious. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and safe travels. Your next adventure is just a credit away. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more money-saving tips.